Well, hi there, welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So, what kind of cleaning should you offer and how far away should you be willing to work as far as arranging for cleaning? They're two important questions. They're different for all kinds of companies. We felt most comfortable with eventually office cleaning, and we felt most comfortable within about an hour or two away from our city. That gave us plenty to work with, plenty buildings to try to deal with and fill, and we like that. But every company's different, so how do you answer? Well, there's one factor to keep in mind that I think can help. What kind of cleaning and how far away can you go with trying to fill jobs where you can find the kind of employees that you're looking for that you feel will be good, quality, reliable folks that you can train and supervise and work with so that they will keep their job. There won't be a ton of turnover, and therefore the customer will be happy and you won't have to be constantly chasing after filling a job. Now, it's never perfect. The people part of the job, the filling of the actual positions is, the number one challenge that we all deal with. But we can go a long way in helping that by trying to find kinds of cleaning and a distance away from our main office that we feel comfortable that we have a better shot at keeping the jobs filled. Interviewing, training, supervising, starting things up, communicating with the customer. How can you manage? What kind of cleaning is best to manage and fill jobs, and how far away? That's a big factor or variable we use to think about. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.